It's LinkedIn Learning author Monika Wahi with today's Data Science Makeover. Watch while Monika Wahi demonstrates how to refer to values stored in a character vector in R. Hi everyone, let's talk about vectors. Let's talk about specifically character vectors. See this code for a character vector here? That code makes a character vector called cities. If you want to know more about doing that, you can watch the video where I do that. You don't have to. I'll tell you what happened. I made a character vector called cities using this code. There. Now I caught you up to speed. Here, I'll link to that video in the description if you are curious and want to see it for yourself. Okay, that vector is called cities and it has 4 entries: Boston, Tampa, Mountain View, and Minneapolis. Actually, let's just quick run it and look at it. Okay, that made the vector. Now let's run the vector and look at it. Okay, see that in the console? That's our cities vector. Now, what I want to do is use the code to refer to a particular value in this vector. I want to refer to the 3rd value, which is Mountain View. All right, let's focus on the code. See that code? It's got these brackets with the 3 in it right after the word cities. What do you think will happen when I run this? Okay, let's see what happens. I'm going to highlight and Control R. See, it says Mountain View, the 3rd city in the vector, because I put the 3 in the brackets. Now, look at what we can do with that. See that code? It's got an arrow in it, and so it's making an object. See the left of the arrow? It's making an object called 3rd_city. And on the right is our cities vector with the brackets and the 3. Now I'm going to highlight and Control R this. Okay, it made the object 3rd_city. Guess what's in the object? Let me highlight and Control R and show you. See, it's the 3rd city. It's Mountain View. So you are probably wondering why I am telling you all this. See this code here that just magically appeared? Notice how it is ugly. The vector is not named a pleasant vacation-y name like cities. It's named a data management name like keep_vars. And the arguments in the combine command are ugly too. They are basically variable names. So my point is you need character vectors in R to do data management. And you can use them to store column names to your data frame that you want to manipulate. Then call out the columns through identifying their position in the vector. Cool, huh? You'll see me doing a lot of that in my LinkedIn Learning courses on R. Check them out. Thank you for watching this Data Science Makeover with LinkedIn Learning author Monika Wahi. Remember to check out Monika's data science courses on LinkedIn Learning. Click on the link in the description.